Hello, welcome back to Cesim step-by-step guide for round 2. For round 2 in the NBA simulation game free winning guide and tips to win on the round. So you can check the other video for the top 10 winning tips overview. And now we go for the details for round 2. For round 2, we take the unit result from last round to find the number unit result in each market region. Check the financial statement to find out the R&D cost, promotion cost, and sale and profit of each competitors. Check the market report to find the unit result and the price level for each level of unit result, so we can figure out the plan. Check the market outlook to find the growth rate. Check the demand for each region. This is very important to calculate the sales forecast. And also we check the network coverage forecast, so we can have the plan for production in the future, especially from quarter 4, round 4 and round 5 afterward. Set decision for production and investment. For R&D, we still use R&D always the key to win. We still focus on take 1 and take 2 in quarter 1 and round 1 and round 2. And very important to set marketing decision to adjust the price to make that more competitive and maintain the good profit margin. Spend time to adjust logistics to get the details distribution to the needed market, and also check the tax and finance. If you have any questions, send the email to cesim2020@gmail.com or get the free personal support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.